I'm producing this video on Monday morning, and usually what I like to do is just promote the meetings that LiveGood does, either live through YouTube or through Zoom. Okay, and these are all recorded. I know that most people, when they attend a Zoom meeting, a lot of times it's just like, look, I'm working, I'm driving, I'm on the bus. All right, you could be sleeping because we're a worldwide business. Most of our Zooms, they all start at noon Eastern. Okay, I'm here in Utah, which is mountain time, so it's 10 in the morning here. Okay, but oh my gosh, it's 9 in the morning in California. Hawaii, you go a couple hours even earlier. So we're well aware that I'd say, gosh, 99% of people are not going to be able to attend any of the live Zoom or YouTube meetings. Okay, they are recorded though, so just relax. All right, you can go to my YouTube channel or LiveGood. Type in LiveGood, you'll find me quite easily, and LiveGood, of course. And you can watch the rebroadcast or just the recordings of the Monday live meeting, which is going to take place in an hour or two with Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. They're going to talk about products, Q&A, what products might be in the hopper being created and are going to be released in the summer. Okay, or they do a tutorial how to take one of our products like Super Reds, Super Greens, or essential oils and teach us how to use them. Okay, and I like the Q&A. And guess what? If you have any questions whatsoever about our products, get a hold of the creators. All right, Dr. Ryan, R-Y-A-N, Ryan at livegood.com. Lisa is actually, her title is product education. So Lisa at livegood.com. Boom. You want to get a hold of me, Cory at corydraper.com. I love email because I know the question, I can look at it, and I usually have a video already made. And I have like a little list of videos in a little bookmark section on my Google Chrome browser because I get asked 80%, if not 90%, the same thing. And it's usually how to market, how to get people to sign up and whatnot. Okay, but if you have any questions about products, get a hold of Ryan or Lisa. They're awesome, okay? Nader Kazan, of course, he's in charge of our, field development marketing director. All right, he's really good at promoting and keeping things fresh and hot out there. He does a really nice meeting on Wednesdays. All of these, and you know what, let me just show you. Let's see if I can hit my little button. Okay. When you go to your LiveGood website, if you're already in LiveGood, guys, see where it says where is it? Right there, my websites. You can see, if you click it, right below it is webinars. Okay, click it, and this is what I'm talking about. These are the live, see right here, Monday, noon Eastern. EST, that means Eastern Standard Time. Go ahead and click that YouTube button a couple minutes before noon Eastern, and then refresh it at noon, and bam, Ryan and Lisa will be there. And remember, all of these are recorded. All the rest are Zooms. So Wednesday at noon Eastern, Nader, boom, hit that little button there, and he'll be live. Thursday's awesome. I think Thursday is a really good opportunity to send people that are interested in buying the products or being an affiliate. Okay, this meeting's about an hour. And then Friday is my favorite. I love Friday meetings. We go through everything. The affiliate side, the member side, all 4 owners and operators of LiveGood, they just talk about products and sales and what countries have come aboard, what people have ranked, where they get 2 people like bronze and 10 people silver, 100 gold, 500 platinum. I mean, I love Friday. It's a good one, okay? So if you have not joined LiveGood, I want you to watch these. And like I said, 90 some odd % of the people can't watch these live. These are recorded, okay? So if you have a couple minutes, I want you to definitely go here, okay? You saw my business card earlier. joincory.com. Okay, and when you go to that website, let me just show you. I might as well just show you. That's the easy way. Okay, this is just nothing more than a video. YouTube, you can recognize that play button. Watch it. It is Ben Glinsky, our CEO. He talks about the business and the products. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Guys, it's a great video. I've had almost 400 people sign up after watching this video. Okay, and if you want information about LiveGood, go ahead and put name, email, just put reserve my position. It means you're just interested. But if you want to join Live Good, then definitely put in your name and email, hit reserve my position, and guess what? You get a nice email. And you just open it up, read it, and a couple lines down, you'll figure it out. Just click a button and join. Get yourself a username, a password. If you have Visa, MasterCard, great, work it out, discover. Also, is it BitPay and I pay out cryptocurrency? Because we have a lot of countries that, guys, they just don't have cash or a credit card or a bank on every corner like I do here in Utah where I live. Okay? We work it out. All right? When you got 200 countries already aboard this ship, all right? We'll work out the payment, no problem at all, okay? So if you have $9.95 a month, I suggest you become a member. That way you can get all of our products wholesale. And then I sure hope you want to be an affiliate because it's only $40. Two $20 bills, guys. That's it. And you are an affiliate for life. All right? You do not have to pay that every month, every year. $40. You get the website I just showed you, customer service. All the product is shipped by the post office here in the United States. And if you're outside of the country, it's DHL International with tracking. Okay, let the company handle all that stuff. Just get really good at doing what I do. Da-da-da-da. Get yourself a link like at GoDaddy. I bought joincory.com because that's my name, and I want you to join. Okay? Then I'm going to send you an email with everything I do. All right? I got this down pretty good. I'm very happy with my performance. I've signed up 12 people, and I think I'll hit 13 or 14 people signups in December alone of 2024. So I want to make 2025 obviously just a kick butt year. We have more products than ever. Live Good we're hauling butt right now. It's like we've lifted off. We're at 35,000 feet, and now we're just cruising at 500-600 miles an hour like a jet airplane flying all over the world. All right? Picking people up so we can serve them drinks and peanuts. Okay? And make your seat go back 1 inch like on an airplane. All right, unless you're in the fancy first class section. Me, I just fly normal coach, and I'm tall. I'm 6'2" and weigh 220. I can't fit in most airline seats. I'm just like, and if I put my seat back 1 inch, I'm like, oh boy, this is so comfortable. Okay. All right. Guys, if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's probably the easiest way is email. Okay. And then subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it. Pretty easy. All right. I'll just put my cards up one more time, guys. All right. I sure hope you join. Joincory.com. All right. Take care. We'll talk to you next video. Bye.